I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the streets with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know I give an environment. Cause you got desires, I know.
Hey y'all, it's me, Slave by Jordan. So today we're gonna be working with a company called XrsBeauty. So let's get straight into it. So this is the lovely packaging the package comes in. I'll open it up. Okay, so let me set aside the wig. First of all, I love the orange interior in this box. So they gave us 2 duckbill clips. We have a wide tooth comb. Love the purple. We have some extra adjustable straps to put inside the wig, especially like if you want to wear it glueless. Of course, you know, your signature wig cap. And they also gave us some flexi rods. This is a 200% density 22-inch wig. This is also their new clear lace hairline wig. So I want to show you guys what I mean by that. Let's just take all this out. Okay. First off bat, I can tell that this is a good quality wig because you know when you just been doing hair for so long, you can feel it and you know it. Like I can feel it like the way this hair is just already moving out the box. Perfect. So let me show you guys the inside construction before I get into this clear lace and this hairline, girl. So this is the construction of the wig. It is a 13 by 6. You're only getting about maybe like 2.5 inches or 2-inch parting space on the sides. You know, that's how they do it nowadays. 2 combs right here, a comb right here, another comb right here, and then of course your strap. If you couldn't tell already that the knots are already bleached. Like, you don't have to bleach the knots at all. If you see that, knots are bleached fully. The lace, this is their new clear lace. Look at that. You can't see the lace. You can't see the lace, y'all. Oh my God, and let's get into this hairline. I'm gonna put this wig on my mannequin head because me just showing you this hairline on my hand, it's not gonna serve it justice. Give me a second. Y'all, get into this hairline. Do you see how pre-plucked this wig comes? Like, get into that. You see that? The hairline comes fully customized straight out the packaging. Like, you all get into it. Let me show you guys the other side. Like, this is just amazing. Pre-plucked to a T. Do you all see that? This is amazing. This wig comes fully customized. This wig comes fully customized straight out the box. You don't have to bleach the knots, and you do not have to pluck. I'm literally going to install this wig straight out the box. I'm not gonna wash it, I'm not gonna bleach the knots, and I'm not gonna pluck it. Like, it is perfect. Get into that hairline. All right, y'all, so as you can see on my arm, you can see I have the medium brown lace right here. As you can see, you can definitely tell the lace because it's darker than my skin tone. Then we have transparent lace in the middle. As you can see, that blends in pretty good because I am more of a fair skin tone. But then we have our new technology, the new clear lace right here. And as you can see, it's even more thinner than the transparent lace. And like, you really can't even see it. Like, so that's the new technology we are working with. The new clear lace from XrsBeauty. All right, y'all, getting straight into this wig install. We're just positioning this wig on her head, making sure it's fitting properly. And we're placing it a little bit in front of her cap. And then we're gonna use the straps in the back to secure it, and we're also gonna sew it down. And don't forget to cut your ear tabs. If you want your wig to fit properly around your ears and across your head, you have to cut your ear tabs. So now I'm applying my adhesive. I'm just gonna smooth that back thin and as neatly as possible. And I let each layer dry clear. We only did 2 layers today because she's doing this wig for a photo shoot, but then she's gonna get her hair did again a few days later. So we really didn't even need all that glue, to be honest. I really could have did just 1 layer, but you know, I just want to do 2 just to make sure because I knew she was gonna be in the sun. Yeah, so we only did 2 layers today. Her last layer is dry, so now we're going to proceed to lay that lace down using the teeth of the comb to help assist us. And once we have it where we want it, we're going to use our blow dryer, interchanging between hot and cool air. And we're just going to blow dry that lace right into the skin. Let's get into this clear lace clean hairline from XrsBeauty. They did their thing on this one. And as you can see right now, I'm making a stitch behind the frontal. I do this a lot when I feel like the wig is thick or when I want to add extra security. It also prevents, if you wear wigs or do wigs, you may notice like after you install a wig, like when you're like combing the hair and stuff like that, like your part moves. And it's not because you installed it properly, it's just because you only glued the front down and like it's just space behind that. So with putting that extra stitch right behind the frontal, it doesn't move. So when you part your hair, it stays there, like, you know, and when you brush it, it's not, you know, moving all out the place and there's no bubbles in the frontal. So highly suggest that you start making a stitch behind the frontal in your wigs. It adds extra security and it just helps with the overall look. So we tie her lace down with the elastic band for about 10 minutes, and now we're going to proceed to cut the excess lace off. So today we're gonna do a side part, so that's what you see me using my wax stick and my comb for right now. And I think I'm gonna spray a little Beyond the Zone spray on it. We're just gonna, hot comb that down, get that real flat, and then we're gonna separate our hairs for our baby hairs, because we are doing baby hairs today. I was thinking about not doing them, but then I was like, shoot, why not? Don't forget to spray that lace with your hairspray, and then we're gonna tie it down. So we kept that tied for about 5 minutes. Now what we're about to do is just comb out those baby hairs, cut them, curl them upwards with our mini flat irons, and then we're gonna swoop them into place with our mousse. Y'all already know the drill. So we put her up under a high dryer for about 20 to 25 minutes. So her baby hairs are dry. You're gonna see them right now. And they look amazing even after being unwrapped. But of course, we comb them out and, relay them with some hairspray, make them soft, but, still controlled. And look at the luster on that hair, the quality. I told y'all this is a bum wig. Now this is the baby hairs after, I put my little pizzazz on them. Get into it. Yeah, lift that hairline back, girl. Yeah, show them. Period. So now after this, we're about to get into our styling portion. I was inspired by my girl, Beautiful Hustler. I am Beautiful Hustler TV here on YouTube. So we wanted to do a style where we just did a side part and just curled the ends. So we're not doing like a full-on curl. We're just curling the ends. So I'm using my Babyliss Prima 3000 on 465 degrees. And we're just gonna curl the ends. I really can't explain how to curl with a flat iron. You just twist it, turn it, click it. I mean, you just do whatever to get the job done. I learned how to curl with flat irons first, I think. Yeah, I learned how to curl with a flat iron first, and then I switched to a curling iron. Yeah, you just gotta have it. Look at how well these curls are holding. Like, I love this wig. So now the curls are done. We're just gonna comb them out using a wide tooth comb. I didn't layer this hair or anything, y'all. I literally just curled it as is, no layers. Y'all, I didn't layer this hair at all. I did cut the ends because, I don't like scraggly ends, but no layers were involved in this look at all. And it is so beautiful. It's giving me such classy, rich babe vibes. And y'all, I didn't dye this wig jet black either. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take this wig out the box. I didn't even wash this wig, y'all. I literally took this wig straight out the box and installed it. I didn't wash it, I didn't dye it, I didn't do nothing. And it came out bomb. So when I tell you at home, you can take this wig fresh out the box, it's gonna be perfect. I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check the description box for more information on this wig. We got more look stuff coming soon. I love y'all. Goodbye.